Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon, jabbering. Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop. And today we're gonna uncover AMC and Dogecoin, of course. Let's see what they're doing. Hopefully everyone is doing very well today, because it's a beautiful hump day. And who doesn't like a good hump day? I know I do. So let's see here, AMC. Where's AMC currently at? Well, AMC opened at about $52, went to a high of $53 here and pulled all the way back to the low of $48.12. So what did we see there, folks? What did we see there? Well, we saw a pullback, and now we're seeing another, I guess you would call it an inside candlestick. You saw it pop up and it sold off the whole day pretty much. So this means AMC is showing some weakness, right? Some folks believe in buying a dip for AMC, and if you want to, by all means there, just make sure you protect yourself, because you never know what will happen. Currently AMC is in all-time highs, and as you know, GME was the first meme stock to get a huge run up, and well, people are thinking AMC maybe round 2, but I'm inclined to believe that these hedge funds or these hedgies, these institutions would learn their lesson. But maybe they haven't, maybe they have, who knows here, right? Who knows? But I would say they are definitely more well prepared this time, well, this time around here. But let's go ahead and check our perspective and see how it looks though in a more, I guess, a microscopic view, because currently we're seeing it from a very, very high level here. So the 4 hour is showing us, let's see what happens here. Okay, so we opened up, right? And we saw the whole day pretty much. So that tells me AMC is showing weakness. That's no bueno if you're a bull. If you're a bear, it's phenomenal. All right, currently on the AMC on a 4 hour perspective here, it is on a downtrend, believe it or not. Overall, it's still very bullish though, but we're seeing a current downtrend because we aren't able to break this line. The line is right here, folks, okay? The line is right there. So if AMC bounces tomorrow, it may bounce about $50 and do another pullback and get rejected off of their downward trend line. So just things to be aware of. Let's see, what else do we see here? Let's go ahead and go into the hourly perspective and see what's going down there, right? Yep, I see the whole market is recovering. Absolutely, I do see that. So on the 1 hour perspective, it's even more evident, right? This morning, when I was covering the market open, this morning when I was covering it up, this morning when I was covering the market open here, we saw a nice pop up, and I was telling everyone, you know what? If we cannot break a certain number here, I believe I said 53.13. And if we cannot break that, we will probably reverse our day. And guess what? That is exactly what happened. I mean, I don't mean to be a fortune teller, but you know what? When I call things out, they usually happen. Usually being the key word here. And that's okay. I mean, honestly, we should expect pullbacks, right? It is what it is. It's unfortunate to be a AMC bull today. I mean, overall though, if you're an AMC bull, you're still making phenomenal profits irregardless though. So it shouldn't be like, oh my God, you know, I'm losing money or anything. Well, I guess you are losing money if I guess you're losing money if you are going all the way at the top and buying at, you know, what was the high again? I forgot. 1 second, let me see the high. The high at around $72. The following day, the next high was $68. I mean, holy cow. When you were around there, I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, on those for all of last week, I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, please start taking profits of your AMC holdings here. Some of you listen, you're holding nice profits here, and you are no longer worried about where AMC is going, right? You know, when I say take profits, I don't mean sell your whole position. I'm saying let go of a portion of your position, you know, 5%, 10%, whatever you feel comfortable with for the most part. And now we're seeing AMC show more weakness right now. I mean, honestly, I would be a little concerned holding AMC right now, but you know what? But you know what? That's just me though. Some folks are YOLOs, and that's okay. You can go ahead and YOLO if you want. I'm just saying that's better to have money. I'm just saying it's better to have moolah today than moolah tomorrow, but you know, everyone's different. People believe what they believe. So let's see the hourly perspective here, right? We're seeing a strong sell-off. We saw a little bounce, but AMC's overall looking pretty weak here. And we're in a current downtrend. So basically, if AMC gets around to $42 and they break down below $42, I would say look up below, and 35.53 will be incoming. All right, 35.53 was a previous all-time high many years ago. So AMC is still overall bullish. However, we're seeing a short-term downtrend. So if you get around there, just be careful. Just be careful, okay? But of course, if you want to YOLO and go crazy with your options, go ahead. You do you. All I'm saying is I share what I see from a chart perspective. If you want to listen, cool. If you don't listen, no problem. It's all good. At the end of the day, it's your money. So make sure, the whole point of me saying this is to make sure you guys protect yourselves. If you want to believe the hype of AMC going to 100K, $1,000, $100, whatever number you think, that's fine too. No problem. No sweat off my back. So let's go ahead and cover Dogecoin now. Let's see what's Dogecoin doing. Alrighty then, so Dogecoin from a daily perspective here. Okay, well, the whole cryptocurrency market is currently recovering, and the reason for that is, well, no one's gonna like it, but I'll tell you why. It's because of Michael Saylor. I know folks don't like him, but at the end of the day, it's because of him. He's raised a lot of money for Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin goes up, everything else comes up. So believe it or not, people in this live stream and people on Dogecoin, etc., should be thanking Michael Saylor for taking care of Bitcoin, aka also taking care of all the altcoins. So I definitely would not attribute this to Elon Musk doing here. Again, I would say it's Michael Saylor's doing, but you know, people can believe what they want to believe. It's all good. Let's check it out now. Dogecoin on a daily here, right? We saw a nice bounce here, right? From about the low of 29.50 all the way up to the high of 367. So around 367, it went to the previous downward trend line right here, right? And got rejected off of it. And currently it's trading within the upper portion of the downward channel. That's pretty good too. That's not a bad thing either. Let me go ahead and extend out a little bit just so we can see it better. There you go. Fantastic. So again, currently Dogecoin is trading on the upward portion of the downward channel. So that's pretty good so far. I have no problem with that. However though, when it did break up and out of it though, we saw a strong sell-off almost immediately. So definitely something to watch out for. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Let's see what is going on. Michael Taggart, maybe cleaning up after Elon. I don't know about that one. I think it's more about Michael Saylor taking care of Michael Saylor for the most part, but I mean, obviously I don't think Elon Musk said anything good right here, right? Yep, I don't think Elon Musk said anything about Dogecoin, so I know people love to hype I know everyone likes to hype up Elon Musk, but the man has done nothing for Dogecoin lately. If anything, the man has taken away over 50% of the gains. And by no means am I an Elon Musk hater. I'm just sharing facts. You can believe, you cannot believe. It's all good. Up to you. Let's see. Let's see. Haha, boycott BitBoy? What do you mean? What's BitBoy? He's trying to get in for cheap? Okay. Okay, currently we're trading below. Let's see here. So currently we're trading on the upward portion of the downward channel here. So who believed in the hype today? All right, who believed in the 6ix9ine hype? Did you guys believe in the other YouTubers who were hyping it up and saying all this kind of, in my opinion, bogus stuff about 6ix9ine? How Elon Musk gonna come out and say something? I mean, honestly, if you believe that kind of garbage, then you know what? I just gotta laugh, you know what I mean? You know, I think it's hilarious how people watch that kind of garbage though, but you know what? I guess it's good entertainment, right? But what can I say here, right? People love to hype stuff to get views, and that's all good, right? It's all good. BitBoy called out Elon Musk? What do you mean? What did BitBoy do to call Elon Musk? Ah, well, I mean, folks, let's be honest here, okay? Let's be honest here. Elon Musk sank Bitcoin and Dogecoin, Bitcoin in the whole cryptocurrency market. Let's be honest here, okay? I am still an Elon Musk fanboy, but facts are facts, okay? Elon Musk sank Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So, and yet we still have YouTubers, writing on Elon Musk's, you know, coattails, saying how much he has done for Dogecoin, etc., etc., etc. We should all thank Elon Musk for all he's done for Dogecoin. And in my opinion, I don't think he's done anything for Dogecoin recently. If anything, he sunk Dogecoin. You know, I'm still a fan, but facts are facts there. And yet we still have, you know, people hyping it up, you know, right? People are still hyping it up, and I just think the folks hyping up Elon Musk and hyping up 6ix9ine and hyping up all the other kind of garbage, well, I say to those YouTubers, you are being very irresponsible. And the fact that you are doing it means you are not looking out for the people's interest. You know what? It's okay though, right? I mean, they do what they want to do because they want to make the mullahs, and I'm okay with that. But I'm just saying, you know what? It's very irresponsible, and I don't think you should be doing that. But you know what? It's a free country, right? You can do what you want. Okay, so I just want to share a fact with you guys. So yeah, I mean, just understand, folks. Just understand that when you watch other YouTubers and when they hype up garbage, right, and you watch that stuff, you are encouraging. You are encouraging more and more hype, and when you see that kind of hype, it's gonna affect your investment. So if I were you guys, I would spread the word to stop watching garbage YouTubers who hype up stuff, okay? It will only hurt your investment. It will only hurt your investment in the long term, believe it or not, okay? So I'm only sharing with you guys so you guys know what's going on and you know better, okay? And don't forget that, you know, when I read some of the comments here, it's all hype and you are getting garbage news. So I would suggest you ask that garbage person to answer your question, because obviously you won't see me see those kind of things, you know what I mean? So okay, let's go ahead and go back to, let's go ahead and go back into the charts now. All right, let's go ahead and go back into the 4-hour perspective here. Okay, so we're still currently trending down here. Okay, so we're still trending down, but the good news is that we are in the upper portion of the downward channel. Okay, and currently the day is pretty well because we're seeing Dogecoin rise due to Michael Saylor. I know everyone hates him because he is not Elon Musk, but the man has literally saved your investments. Okay, so you have to give respect where respect is due, and Michael Saylor deserves your respect and thanks right now. All right, if you are currently happy about your Dogecoin rising, then you should be thanking Michael Saylor and not Elon Musk. Okay, when I say this kind of stuff here, again, I want to make sure I'm very clear, very clear. I am still an Elon Musk fanboy, but facts are facts, and you should not turn a blind eye to it. If you want to, by all means, you can do what you want, but you know, I always tell you folks, you know, I only share the truth, right? You don't like it, you don't like it, but I think it's always a good idea to not to not be blindsided by the truth. So on the 4-hour upper channel, we're still trading down. That's no bueno. Currently the Agora reaction ribbon is still downward trending on a 4-hour perspective, so that's no bueno as well. So we're currently bulls. The bulls are still against a headwind, and it'll be there for some time, unfortunately. So but of course, even though you guys are here, make sure you spread and like make sure you like these videos, and you share these videos out so more people can get educated by the truth and not some hype garbage, you know? Yeah, man, what's wrong, bro? What's wrong? Well, there are sirens, and I'm getting an Amber Alert to my phone. So it sounds like somebody is doing some bad things in real life. That's what it sounds like. I do apologize for the sound, but you know what? I live in a city, and obviously I don't control those kind of services. It is what it is. So yeah, so let's go ahead and see. We're still on a downward trend as well. Let's go ahead and see the 1-hour perspective and see how it looks, okay? So on the 1-hour perspective, it's even more evident because now you can see very clearly, we are just literally right on the top of the upward downward channel here. Dwight Barnett says, just like Matt Wallace, all drama. What are you talking about? Dwight Barnett, what are you referring to, bro? What? Just like Matt Wallace, all drama? What do you mean, me? I'm all drama? I hope not. I'm just sharing with you guys my honest opinion here. Obviously it's my honest opinion here, so it's always up for debate, right? I'm not always right. I'm wrong as well, so. But I don't think I'm being much drama though, so. So okay. Currently on the 1 hour, it's very evident we are literally riding on the we are literally riding right at the top of the downward channel, and we're riding it to a T. So the last time we did this here, right? The last time we rode the upward portion of a downward channel, I'm sorry. The last time we rode the upward portion of the downward channel, right? We did that for maybe a day or two, and then we saw a flash crash. I'm not saying that this will happen again, but if history is, you know, as they say, history doesn't always rhyme. I'm sorry. history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure rhymes. So we may see something, so we may see a similar action in the days to come here, right? Obviously, no guarantee. You know, it could obviously do the opposite and break out of the downward channel. But overall, though, the crypto market is currently bearish, believe it or not. Even though we're seeing huge financial gains for a year, it is currently in a downward bearish trend. So, as you know, the trend's your friend, and if you're a bull, the trend is against you currently. So you just need to be patient and to be aware of what's going on and prepare yourself. Okay. So I think it's very interesting. I'm not sure if you guys know about this yet, but El Salvador, the president of El Salvador is now using Bitcoin as a means of currency. I guess due to the volatility of the El Salvadorian, I'm not sure that's right. But their currency, though, I guess isn't very stable, and the fact that they want to use Bitcoin as a currency is actually very interesting. I believe this is the first time we've seen a country mass adopt it, and I think that'd be fantastic for Bitcoin. But I do wonder, what is the GDP of? I wonder what is the GDP of El Salvador here, right? So El Salvador's GDP in 2019 is only about $27 billion, right? $27 billion. It's not very much, but it's not little either. Let's go ahead and check the coin market cap right here, right? Let's see coin market cap. So Bitcoin is currently worth about 697 billion, B for billion for dollar here. So even if El Salvador converts everything to Bitcoin here, right? It's literally let's see here. Let's see what we get here. Whoops. Let's see here. 27 divided by 697 here. It is literally only about 3.8% of the coin market cap. We are literally only seeing a 3.8% mark of El Salvador only has about 3.8% of the market cap, assuming they put every single GDP dollar or whatever the currency is into Bitcoin. So it isn't a, so you know, it isn't a ton of, it isn't a lot of money, but it's still a country, and the fact that people are willing, and the fact that people are willing to work for Bitcoins as a new currency, I mean, I think that's phenomenal. I honestly believe the El Salvadorian people will do very well in the future, because when they get paid Bitcoins and their Bitcoins increase in value, then you know what? They're gonna actually make even more money, right? So it's like giving them a raise in a sense. And I think that is absolutely phenomenal. So let's go ahead and check now, okay? So we did that. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute perspective here. Here you go. You can see right now on the 15-minute perspective here, right? We are currently tapping around, you know, we are currently in the upper portion of the downward channel. It's very, very evident now in the 15-minute perspective here. Agora's reaction ribbon is showing some bullishness right here, right? So around 3.3 could be a potential support, and as you can tell, the long-term support is around 33 cents. So that is quite interesting. That is quite interesting to see right there. So if you're day trading, potentially, if you are day trading this, 33 cents could be a potential dip buying zone. Of course, I don't give financial advice. I just share with all you what I see on the charts here. So please make sure you do your own due diligence. let's go ahead and go into the blockchain data, okay? This is the blockchain data. I actually pay for this out of my own pocket, and I give and I share with all you guys for nothing, pretty much. All I ask is that if you could please subscribe and like and hit that notification bell, that'd be phenomenal, and you can help support this channel here, so we can create more content and give it to you guys. All right. Let me give it a quick refresh. All right. Okay. So let's see, where are the supports and resistance at, okay? The support will be around 312 up to about 322. About a 1 cent spread, all right? About 3.55 billion Dogecoin dispersed to about 93,000 individuals. I would say a strong resistance would be at, would be 36 cents all the way up to 37 cents, about a 1 cent spread, about 4.27 billion Dogecoin dispersed to about 74,000 individuals. So yeah, currently Dogecoin isn't doing too well. I mean, I understand Dogecoin is rising currently, but overall not too well though, believe it or not. So let me open up the floor, okay? Let me open up the floor, and I will cover two things, you know, either crypto or stock. So if you want a stock, type in stock and the ticker name. If you want a crypto, type in crypto and the crypto name, and I will cover two today. And let's see what you guys are gonna drop there. Okay, DGB. DGB. Let's see what that is right there. DGB. Let's see. Okay. All right, DGB's been out since June 2020, so it's about a year old. Okay. DGB is support around 5 cents, is a pretty strong support. So if you get around 5 cents, I would say that's a pretty good dip buying zone. I don't know anything about DGB in terms of fundamentals, but from a chart perspective, 5 cents is a pretty good dip buying zone. And of course, if 5 cents break down, then look for 3.8 cents as your next potential support. Okay. So yeah, definitely interesting though. But yeah, on a weekly here, we're seeing lots of weakness here, anywhere above 6.5 all the way up to about 8 cents here. Lots of resistance right there and selling off. So very interesting to see, that's for sure. All right, I will cover one more. One more, don't forget, make sure you put the word crypto and the ticker, or the word stock and the ticker to stock. If I don't see that, I will not cover your stuff, okay? So one more to go. Okay, ETC, there you go. ETC USD. All right, Ethereum Classic. Let's see, what is that doing right there? All right, so support around $45 is pretty strong. So if you get anywhere from $50 to, I would say from $50 to $45 is going to be your dip buying zone. If you can get around there, you can potentially make some money. But definitely be patient though and wait for a trade to come to you. That's what I would say about that one right there. let's see. Overall though, Ethereum Classic is doing pretty bearish though. If you look at it from here, from a chart perspective here, let me readjust this now because obviously it's changing. Well, I'll leave it there. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'll leave it where it's at. So from a daily perspective here, right? The support could be $50.67. The next support will be around $63.11, and then after that it'll be $79.15 there. Okay, so those will be your support and resistance for Ethereum Classic. All right, I will be ending the live stream, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so I go live, you get these hits. Okay, so I will catch you guys all in the next one. Take care, and most importantly, trade